Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove Bing from Google Chrome and set Google as your default search engine using the latest version of Chrome. If your browser is using Bing and you'd rather search with Google, this process only takes a minute, so let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Next, click the three-dot menu in the upper right corner of the browser window. From the menu that appears, select Settings. Once you're in the Settings page, look at the menu on the left-hand side and click Search Engine. You'll now see the default search engine section. Instead of a drop-down menu, you'll see a Change button. Go ahead and click Change. A pop-up window will appear with a list of available search engines including Google, Microsoft Bing, Yahoo, DuckDuckGo, and others. Select Google by clicking the circle next to it. Then click the Set as Default button in the bottom right corner of the window. Chrome will immediately update your default search engine from Bing to Google. You can now close the Settings tab. To make sure the change was successful, open a new tab and type anything into the address bar, then press Enter. If the search results open in Google, you've successfully changed your default search engine. If Google is already selected, then no further action is needed. And that's it. You've successfully removed Bing as your default search engine in Google Chrome and switched back to Google. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Google Chrome tips and tutorials. See you in the next one.